Welcome back to another Wacky Wednesday. Excuse the drip.
Wacky Wednesday, excuse the drip. Yep, just tell you.
What are you doing?
Checking for that heartbeat. That's a Chevrolet, the heartbeat of America. Walking through the front door, seeing those black drawers hit the floor. All I could think about is getting you home. That reminds me about the time I had to use the bathroom 180 degrees out, upside down. But on another note, the other day somebody at work asked me if I adopted that dog I had in my YouTube video. I said, no, it's biological.